back. You're still watching The Breakfast Show. Now we're moving on to our second topic, and this is more of a health cosmetic issue. We're talking about aging and wrinkles. Of course, this is something that happens both to men and women, and no one wants to have wrinkles at an early age, especially for women. Unfortunately, this does occur to people even at young ages. So we're going to be talking about this issue, the problems of it, the causes, and how we can avoid aging and having wrinkles at a young age. And we're pleased to be joined by Dr. Mounir William Labib, who is a professor of plastic surgery. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. So the obvious question here is, what causes skin wrinkles and lines?
Of course, there are many changes which occur in the skin and subcutaneous tissue, which all these causes by aging and wrinkles. For example, the ability of different types of cells to division decreases. Also, the ability of fat cells and sweat glands to divide decreases. Also, there is precipitation of low density triglycerides in walls of capillaries and blood vessels, which ends in atherosclerosis, which affects mainly the skin and subcutaneous tissue. Also, we find what is known as chemical mediators, which are present at the nerve endings, which are responsible for the transmission of any orders from brain to different parts of the skin. These chemical mediators, such as acetylcholine, such as adrenaline and noradrenaline, all these decreases inside the body. Also, the efficacy of the central nervous system decreases. All these by aging, of course, all these by many other causes which affect these changes. For example, those who are smokers, bad habits such as smoking and such as alcohol and so on, this affects this aging and promotes the effects and the appearance of these wrinkles. Also, we find the disturbances which occurs in women in the menstrual cycles also promotes this. Also, the presence in these bright lights and so on, this may promote and increases the appearance of wrinkles. Also, we can find patients who are going severe regimes and who are going diet control. All these types of diet controls also can promote and helps increases the appearance of wrinkles. Also, persons who are operated by severe operations which for obesity, such as application of ring in the stomach, such as gastric stripping, or such as bypass operations, all these operations ends in appearance of wrinkles quicker in elder age, in younger age than quicker.
So it seems that there are a lot of reasons that could cause wrinkles.